Now we will continue structural isomerism. What is the definition of structural isomerism, sir? The compound having same molecular formula but different bonding of atoms or group of atoms in a molecule, different arrangement of atoms. The compound having same molecular formula simply but different structures. The compound having same molecular formula but different structures are called structural isomerism. The compound having same molecular formula, but different structures. Different structures are called structural isomerism. They are classified into 5 types. The first one is chain isomerism. What is chain isomerism, sir? The compound having same molecular formula but different arrangement of carbon atoms in a molecule. Arrangement of skeleton of carbon atom. The nature of carbon chain or skeleton of the molecule. The compound having same molecular formula. The compound having same molecular formula but different arrangement of, that is simply different carbon atoms or different arrangement of carbon atoms in a molecule. That is simply different skeleton of carbon atom. Different chains, carbon atoms in a molecule. Different arrangement of carbon atoms. For example, you can observe here. Okay, now I am taking C4H10 butane. C4H10. Okay, now I am taking here CH3, CH2, CH3. N-butane. What is the name of this one? N-butane. If you take one more structure, this one, CH3, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, C4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, C4, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, C4, H10, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7, 10. Okay, this is the one of the example. Or if you take one more example, C5H12 pentane. You can observe the structures. Pentane, CH3, CH2, CH3. N-pentane, normal pentane. Next, CH3, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, CH3. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are there. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. C5H12. This is isopentane. So take here CH3, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5, 4, 3 is 12. This is called neopentane. Neopentane. Various examples are there. Now I am taking some examples only. That is butane and as well as a propane. This is called pentane. This is butane. This is pentane. Like that. So many examples are there. The compound having same molecular formula but a different cyclohexane and a methyl cyclopentane. One more example. To take cyclohexane. This is the cyclopentane. CH2, 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 CH2. Here CH2, CH2. What is the molecular formula here? Here also CH2, 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 CH3, CH. The compound having same molecular formula C6, H 6 to the 12. The compound having same molecular formula but different structures. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. This name is cyclohexane. This name is methyl cyclohexane. 1 methyl cyclopentane. You can observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons are there. C6. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. The compound having same molecular formula but different arrangement of carbon atom or carbon skeleton in a molecule is called chain isomerism. Like that, so many examples are there. If you take one more example, now I am taking one more example here. Amines. Or if you take propyl benzene. Propyl benzene. One more example. Take here. This is already you know everyone. Benzene. This is CH3 CH. This name is called propyl benzene. Propyl benzene. Okay, now I am taking one more compound here. This is also benzene. CH3. CH2, CH2, CH3. This is called isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. This name is called propyl benzene. 1, 2, 3, 3 propyl benzene. You can observe in this compound CH, here C, here CH, CH, CH. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The chemical formula is, the molecular formula C9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, it's 13. Here also you can observe 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 carbons, 13 hydrogens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same C9H13. The compound having same molecular formula but a different arrangement of carbon skeleton in a molecule is called chain isomerism. Thank you. We will meet next video.